How to scan QR code to add friends on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. And on today's video we will see how we can scan QR code to add friends on Telegram. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, navigate to top left corner and tap on the hamburger icon, and a menu bar will pop up in your interface. From there, tap on settings. Now once you land in setting page, if you navigate to top right corner, right in front of search icon, there is a QR icon. If you tap on it, that's your account QR. So what you can basically do is share this QR with your friend so that your friend can scan this QR and will be able to add you on Telegram. You can also choose different layout or design of your QR as well. After that, tap on share QR. Now you can share your QR through all these social media platforms. After that, your friends will scan this QR and will be able to add you on Telegram. But if you already have your friend's QR, now in order to scan that, you have to use the QR scanner from your device or install any application to scan QR. After you install it or you have the application, open it up and with that scan your friend's QR. And then you will be able to add your friends on Telegram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.